Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can create a CPAGrip account with your mobile phone, and I will literally discuss about this network. So if we want to promote other people's CP offers, so we have to create a become a publisher account, or if we want to promote your personal offer on CPAGrip, then you have to create an advertiser account. So we are going to promote our own not our own product but other offers as a CPA marketer. So we have to create become a publisher account. So after that she is checking our browser. It can take a little time, so we have to wait for it. It is taking very long time. Okay, I am pushing the video. So after taking the browser checking, you will redirect on this page. At first type your name. If you have an ID card, then please use that name at here. So I am typing my name. Then the last name. Then company. If you don't have a company, then type your name at there. If you have a website, then you have to do it, but this is not the optional option. So I have already talked about how to make a website for free, so you can use that watch that video and create a free website, then paste the website link at here. You don't have to buy a domain or a hosting. It is a free way for making a website. Then street address. If you have a street address line 2, it's mean permanent address and optional address. So if you don't have a other address, then paste the same address at street address line 2. Then choice country. Then city, state, zip code. So some people in their area, they don't have a zip code, so you guys should use your post office code, that's mean postal code. Then phone number. Give a phone number, Skype, or the way they can contact with you. I accept Skype. If you don't have a Skype account, then comment me and in this video for knowing how to create a Skype video account. So that's very easy. The publisher type, I am choosing email or a website instant. So now email address, then password, then confirm password, choose a time zone. So you have to choose your time zone. Also you can find. So I have written my capital city name, then the time zone have added. Then tick on those. I agree. I will not use proxy, VPN or bot software to complete the leads. Okay, I agree. I will not complete the offer myself. Okay, so in this option you are agreeing that you will not use any type of proxy or VPN for complete leads. So this is very wrong. You don't do it. I support it. So you have to tick on that. Then the second tick mark is I agree with. I will not complete the myself. So you should try other people for promoting those offers. You in the one way you don't have to spam. The one thing is you can't spam on this website. So tick mark, I am tick marking those three, and the terms and condition you can read it by terms and service. So I am not now reading this terms service, but you can read it. So now I will fulfill all information, then I will click on register now. So I haven't submit all thing. Now I will write all, then click register now. So I have already forgotten that I have already account on CPAGrip. I have already made a video about that on my laptop. So I don't work at CPAGrip because I have already worked on that, and for showing you I have created another account. This is not my real account. So after click on register now, you will find that CPAGrip will send you a email verification mail on the mail. Then you have to verify your email. You all know that how to verify email. That's very easy. Then log in to your account. After logging, you will find this page. Here is written, new account must earn a minimum $25 before participating in the public chat. That's mean for the new account you have to earn $25 at first, then you can join this network public chat. So now on the three-dot line there is some option: dashboard, static chats, monetization tool. This is a very important option. Then offer tool. If you want to find offer, click on offer tool, then my offer. So now you can choose any country like USA, United States. So there is many offer. You will look that. The main problem is my network problem. So here you can see that there is many kind of offers. Why the so for the beginners there is some offer. So there is a big offer. Grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. You can promote this offer. So there is some option, mobile or desktop. If you want to only promote that desktop offer, then you can click on desktop. Then only desktop offer will not. What is the problem? So there is a problem in this network. I have selected desktop, but the desktop offer is not showing. I don't know why. There is two desktop offers you can see, and others mobile network offer. So this was the video about, and the other thing is the referral program. If people join CPAGrip with this link, he will get the link holder will get 5% commission from that people. So this is a new account, there is no commission, your commission, nothing. So this is the way for promoting. I have already made it how to promote CPA offers. My YouTube channel is only about marketing, digital marketing, CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. So I only make videos about that. If you want that kind of video, then please subscribe my channel and like this video if you like this video. then comment on the video what is the topic you are next want to see. So that's all. Let's goodbye, tata, bye bye, hasta